Okay, so the major issues are basically, as I said, is excessive rainfall and waterlogging. Okay, then this is the first point. The second point is non availability of quality seeds. Third is, the limited resources. Yes, so limited expansion. So if you know Rabi and Kharif crops, so Rabi crops are grown in the time of winter and Kharif crops are grown in the time of summer. Okay, so limited expansion. Okay, of Rabi. So because Rabi is grown during the Rabi is for groundnuts and rice is for Kharif. So there is a limited expansion of Rabi groundnut in the rice grown area. So rice is taking much of the place for, so there's a very limited space for groundnuts. Okay, now coming to the next crop, that is the rice and pulses, because I told you the rice is a major. So most of the states are growing rice, so rice they can't sacrifice in no ways. Okay, so rice is always there. Apart from that, there is pulses. So let's talk about rice and pulses. So where do you see the pulses grown? That is in Chhattisgarh. Okay, Odisha and Bihar. Okay, so basically here, this high yielding variety seeds have not gone to these states. So let me write the first one. Low coverage under HYV seeds. Then there are a lot of weed attacks. So weed attacks and pests. Okay, third, so pest attacks. So there is no attention to, or you can say little attention. So let me write down here, little attention given. Okay, so you have to give a lot of attention to pest attacks. Also the fourth one I can write is marginalization of land and removal of tribal from their land, because lots of tribes are living in Chhattisgarh from their own land. So that is also a major issue, which is also the major problem of rice and pulses. Now coming to the next one we will talk about is maize and wheat. So here we will not talk about rice. Yes, so we will talk about is maize, which is called as corn, and wheat. So maize and wheat is basically grown in UP, Rajasthan, MP and Bihar. Okay, so what is the main reason for this is that the sowing timing is not done properly. So sowing, when does the seed need to sow? So there the timing, they are lacking on the sowing timing. Okay, then second is poor weed management. Third, poor plant varieties. Fourth, poor use of organic and inorganic fertilizers. Then fifth is large area under rain fed agriculture. Okay, so these are the basic reasons that why there is a so much of reasons for poor yields of maize and wheat, especially in UP, Rajasthan, MP and Bihar. Okay, now let's talk about sugarcane. As I told you, it's one of the most important cash crops in India. Okay, so sugarcane and also also we will talk about also wheat. Now these are the regions where sugarcane is also grown and wheat is also grown. So which are the places? So the first is UP, Punjab, Haryana. So which accounts, this is a very important point, for 68% of the area under sugarcane. So sugarcane area where basically 68% sugarcane is grown in these areas, UP, Punjab and Haryana. Okay. Now the other states which also cover the crops are Karnataka. So there's a lot of, Karnataka grows a lot of sugarcane, and MP. Okay, now let us see what are the problems in sugarcane wheat system. Okay, so let me just clear this. Okay, so problems. The first one is late planting, which I already told you. I already told you the sowing time is wrong, so late planting. Second, imbalance and inadequate use of nutrients. Second, so nitrogen is also very much important gaseous substance, because it is like it's basically a chemical